The aircraft fleets that fulfill our national security objectives must maintain a high level of mission readiness. They've seen many tours of duty. They're the classics, the iconic designs, known well for their dependability in countless missions over the decades. In humanitarian roles, intra-theater, and active duty. A fleet that is aging, but a fleet that is vital today. As the lifespan of fleets are extended, the cost of keeping them airborne increases with every passing year. As they require ever-increasing detailed inspections to ensure the structural health of the aircraft is fit for our crews and their missions assignments. It's a time-intensive process that's grounding more and more aircraft for longer and longer periods. A process where stripping an aircraft bolt by bolt is the only way to ensure the job is done right. And when cracks are eventually found, the damage can be so advanced that repairs are costly and time-consuming. Eventually, these aircraft never fly again. To combat this, a system has been produced that uses acoustic airborne technology developed by Ultra Electronics that revolutionizes structural health monitoring and puts our planes back in the skies. The right solution means finding cracks fast and early. That solution is Asis. Cracks generate acoustic emissions as they grow. The system deploys a series of sensors that accurately detect these emissions. Knowing how these emissions propagate through the structure allows the system to determine the location of the damage. Every aircraft is different, but the components of the system remain the same. A bus architecture carries data from the acoustic sensors to remote data concentrator modules, or RDCs. So, the bigger the aircraft and wider the area for monitoring, the more sensors and RDCs are deployed on the aircraft. Information from the RDCs is then relayed back to a data storage unit powered by the aircraft. The weight and power load on the aircraft is minimal. Each sensor is made using lightweight, compact technology that's flexible and easily installed in every aircraft. It's all capturing real-time data across the full profile of every flight, like having your depot with you in the sky. Once on the ground, the onboard data is sent to an Asis handheld device. The built-in software will quickly locate any suspect areas, so only one or two panels are removed, not the entire wing. And with the Asis Pulse system, your engineer will locate that crack right down to the exact bolt hole. Cracks can be detected and located early when they're small, meaning the crack is fixed fast and economically. In fact, everything works economically like the handheld PC. It's a system that you own, that's not tied to us or to any awkward contracts. And every inspection and repair that's logged on the device is also logged on the aircraft's data storage unit, meaning your engineers won't do the same job twice when your aircraft moves to another service area. Because with an Asis system in operation, you can be sure there's going to be a whole lot more flying going on. More fleets in the air, better protecting your budgets and better protecting our country. Asis from Ultra Electronics, a company with over 50 years history working in advanced systems technologies.